Good afternoon, ladies and gents. It's Richard Simons here at the Oldtimer Centre in Rydalmere in New South Wales. So it's not often we get an AMG W210. I mean, there's a fair few E55s floating around the place, but they've all had it. But there's not a fair few E36s in Australia because I believe there was only 49 delivered brand new. And here's one of them in Zircon Silver with the full black leather interior as opposed to that sort of two-tone leather. This is a car we've sold once before. It's got a really good history with it. Beautiful hammer wheels, factory sunroof. They've got electric chairs with memory on both sides of the vehicle. This particular car is 178,000 kilometres. It's got front and rear fog lights, power windows all round, and it is an avant-garde. The E36 AMG is a cracking car. It is a six-cylinder naturally aspirated ball terror. A little bit lowered, stiffer suspension, loves to be revved, really ballsy engine that just wants to be, used and abused, I suppose. I'll show you under here afterwards. Those bonnet struts, as you can see, are a little bit sort of weak, so we will get them regassed. So if you just give me a moment afterwards, I'll show you under the bonnet. Just wanted to show you that I'm going to be standing there holding it. And that's probably one of the only things that's wrong, which I love being able to say to you, look, a car that's 1996 and we're in 2026. So a 30-year-old car needing gas struts redone, which is about $100. It's got a fabulous number plate, E36 AMG, which is transferable, goes with the car. The remote key has the central locking attached. And everything about this car, I'm going to really thoroughly show you through it shortly. Talk to you about the features, the climate control air conditioning, the memory electric chairs on both sides of the vehicle. They're not an absolute gas guzzler. There's my mechanic, noisy, cheeky bugger. Look, they're a great size, a great five-seater. I actually, back in 1996, bought one of these near new. It hadn't done many Ks. It was an avant-garde as well, with the avant-garde timber. Now, what's lovely about this particular model is somebody has gone and bought a new stereo, but it's period to the car. So it looks fabulous. I'm going to show you around that shortly as well. A little bit about the Oldtimer Centre. We've been doing this for 30 years. A little bit longer than how old this car is, actually, since 1994. And we love doing what we do. We specialise in Mercedes Benz. They make the best cars in the world. And we are the major sponsor of the Mercedes Car Club here in New South Wales. We have special events with them, technical days. We're even the platinum sponsor of the Sydney German Auto Fest car show at Gough Whitlam Park in Earlwood every year. We won the local business award in our area. We have a near perfect Google review rating. And we really do try to do the right thing by our clients. We give you a 12-month warranty, which is an extended warranty from Integrity Warranties. They're a fabulous company to deal with. We get the cars checked to a proper Mercedes mechanic. And what are we talking? A bit over 20 grand for one of 49 in Australia, right-hand drive, factory, Australian delivered Mercedes Benz E36 AMGs with the best number plate in New South Wales. The Oldtimer Centre has got a beautiful showroom with 60 cars undercover, big car park out the front. We're here in Rydalmere, just alongside the Parramatta River. Fair bit of rubbish around in the car park today, which I'm disgusted with, but it is just after the weekend when the hoo-ha goes on. And we pride ourselves in detailing properly, checking every little thing, and selling you a car that doesn't have oil leaking on the ground, no hail dents, but we allow for a little mark here or there. We pre-purchase inspect these cars. We traded this car off somebody that we know, and he lives locally to me. He's an enthusiast, and so are we. The E36 AMG should hold its value extremely well moving forwards because it's rare, it ticks every box, it's the right colour, and it's been looked after well. Our address is 29 to 31 Antoine Street, Rydalmere, and we can be contacted on 9569 9999. We're here every day except Sunday. But if you want to email us or ring us or do whatever on a Sunday, if you're on YouTube, please visit www.old.com.au to make sure that the car is still available. So it's a very original car. It hasn't been molested and ruined and put spoilers on and so forth. But I'm going to show you really up close and personal how good this gorgeous AMG beast is. We'll just get this light right so you can see inside this absolutely beautiful, beautiful interior. It does have the airbags, 4 of them. And on the doors as well, the electric memory chairs. 4-speed automatic, absolute beast. And the interior, look at this. It is just like a new car. It smells beautiful. Sometimes in photos you can't really tell, but I can safely say that I am very, very impressed with this automobile. Look at that number plate. Oh, it's worth as much as the car. 29 Antoine Street. We're MTA members of over 20 years. I'm going to try and get that bonnet open. Just give us a second. And you can see here, very lovely engine bay, all the original identifiers. We're pretty happy with that. The headlights are lovely. And let's just move inside and listen to this firecracker. Oh yeah. You can see there's that video sound system that we spoke about. It's got a cruise control, front and rear fog lights. You can even electronically adjust that steering wheel. I'm suitably impressed. So come and see us. Look at it here. It's just beautiful, except the rubbish everywhere, which is disgusting. 9569 9999. Hopefully we see you soon.